Welcome to 360 Degree Machinery. We're going to do a walkthrough of a Timesavers dual head wide belt sander. If you have questions about pricing, availability, or if you have surplus machines you'd like to sell, you can reach us at info@360degreemachinery.com. Also remember that all of our machines are located right here in Naperville, Illinois, and that we do not broker tools to ensure quality. We are also processing anywhere from 40 to 50 additional machines, so check back often, as we do not list machines until they've been thoroughly cleaned and checked. This is a Timesavers 137-2 HD. It's a single owner machine. It's been meticulously maintained. And yes, this is the original paint. It's hard to believe, but it really is. This is the best looking one that I have ever seen. And I'm sure if you're looking at this, you're probably thinking the same thing. First off, he did replace the conveyor about 2 years ago. There's no nicks, gouges, or scratches. The only thing that you will find is an occasional little bit of dirt stuck in within the fingers. But if you look at it, it's never been dressed, and it's at 100% life. He also had the front head redone, along with the bearings on the lower and upper rolls. That first head is a 6-inch helical grooved rubber drum, and followed by a platen on that second head. This machine does boast a 36-inch by 8-inch capacity. You do have a scale to the left of your conveyor, and on your hand wheel you do have a numeric counter. It does raise and lower quite easily. As you can see, I'm just using a couple fingers here, and it is going down and up rather easily. We take a nice wide shot of the back. You can see the condition is the same throughout the machine. Again, really, really clean. Even if we open it up inside, that condition does follow through. It does have electronic eye tracking. And again, there's some dirt within the fingers, but that conveyor mat, there are no defects on it whatsoever. This is just simply some dirt. It does have a 1.5 horsepower variable speed drive that goes up to 45 feet per minute. You do have your load meters on the left here. Both are working. Your first head is 30 horsepower. That second head is 20 horsepower. To start this machine, you simply reset everything. You reset it by pushing your buttons in and simply pulling out. The machine tracks as it should. We are going to adjust your feed speed. That is the lowest feed speed. So what we are going to do is we are going to turn it to the highest speed. Again, a nice clean 137-2 HD. amazing condition. If you have any questions or comments, you can reach us at info@360degreemachinery.com or give us a call at 630-229-6705. Again, thank you for tuning in to 360 Degree, helping you buy with confidence.